Philly cheesesteaks, people. Come on, let's get involved. Woo! Woo! Hello and welcome to BBQ Jams. Guys, we have a killer show for you tonight again. Imagine that. We are going to be cooking up some amazing Philly cheesesteaks. It's going to be epic, amazing. I'm going to show you guys how to do it here in just a minute. So, who's coming over tonight? We have, of course, Steve Wheeler. We got to have him. We also have Alan Lawson. He's coming back and he's going to be tearing it up. It's going to be amazing. I can't wait to hear this guy play. Also, he's probably going to be doing some singing as well. Cary Jordan's going to be killing it on the bass. Come on, guys. You know what we got to do. Cary Jordan's awesome, man. He's just going to be destroying it. And myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So, without further ado, let's get involved. Boom! All right, guys, let's get into these cheesesteaks. So, got some peppers here. We're gonna do some bell pepper. We're gonna do some onion, and I think I'm actually gonna throw in some mushrooms as well. So, let's get into it. So, we're gonna add some mushrooms to these Philly cheesesteaks. So, if you want to, go for it. If not, it's up to you. Anyway, by the way, I hope you guys are enjoying this channel. Please like and subscribe. We love it. We like growing this channel. We're having a great time over here. What do you think, guys? We having a good time? Yeah?
Keep it up,
all right,
man.
sweet. We got crazy people over here, you know, doing the whole thing. It's great. Anyway, you guys get back to those jams. Check them out.
Something told me that there was something wrong with this little girl. I should have never trusted her, no, but I did.
Okay, guys, we are going on with some vegetables. We're going to be doing our peppers, our onions, and some mushrooms. After that, we're going to be popping on our bread. I've got some mayonnaise instead of butter that we're going to be browning that up with. Also, we're going to be going on with some of our shredded ribeye. I'm sorry, thinly sliced ribeye that we got from the grocery store. So, anyway, without further ado, here we go.
But I didn't know here I am stuck like this.
By the way, I'm also going to be using some of my BBQ Jams Rub that we're going to be putting on some of this meat to go in with this cheesesteak. It's going to be killer. It does smell delicious, everybody. Smells really good.
They didn't put the meat on you.
And you got the meat on you. I know it smells awesome. Got all these animals around me ready to eat. By the way, I've got beef tallow on here. Instead of using oil or butter, I'm using some beef tallow. Smells amazing. Alright, cool. Now, I think we're gonna go on with some meat. The meat's gonna cook up really quick, so just pay attention to it. We're gonna go on with some meat, and we're gonna throw some cheese right on top of that meat. Let me throw on one of my buns. I've got some mayonnaise on here, so we're gonna be using that, toast it up. gonna go on with some barbecue jam seasoning. Just a little bit, nothing too much, nothing crazy. By the way, if you guys want some of this rub, you can go on shopthemerchcare.com and pick some up. It's delicious. I'm gonna throw some peppers and onions on top. All right, on with some provolone. Throw a little steam on here. All right, ooh, look at that, nice. Yeah, baby. Philly cheesesteaks, people. Come on, let's get involved. Woo! Woo! Cary, y'all ready? Yeah. You ready to come on? I got a napkin right there for you. What's up, dude? How's it going, guys?
Good, how are you?
Y'all ready to do some jamming tonight? It's gonna be so good, I can't wait. And these Philly cheesesteaks are gonna be pretty amazing,
They
too.
smell damn good, that's for sure.
What's up, Steve? How we doing, Bubba? Oh, we gotta come over some?
Try not to interrupt the show.
We're good.
Oh, you're all good?
Nope. Alan, go ahead and tuck back in. Alan,
Tuck
there
in,
you go.
tuck in.
There you go, right there.
All right, so you guys ready?
Yeah.
Been ready.
Grab a piece here? All right, cool.
You want the end?
Yeah, I'll take
Go
it.
in.
Okay.
Go in. Do you want an end? Do you want the
Yeah,
end?
I'll take an end.
Okay. I got plenty more coming off.
Oh, I know.
Plenty more coming off. You guys ready?
Cheers.
Cheers, people. Here we go.
Yeah.
Cheers, everybody. Ooh. Nice.
That's delicious.
Nice, right? Oh man, that is good.
Chef's kiss.
Might need to put a little mayo on there or something.
More mayo.
More mayo? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna throw some mayo on some other ones here in just a minute, guys.
Can never have too much mayo.
You really can't. And my sister said something about adding some A1 to it. A little bit of mayo and A1 might be kind of good. I don't know, I might try
Dude,
that
this is
too.
phenomenal as it is.
It is pretty good though.
It's delicious.
Sweet. Guys, we're gonna be tearing up some jams here in just a little bit. Thank you guys for being here as always.
Yeah,
Come
man.
on now. You guys get involved, we'll be right back. All right, so we have some more guests over here we're gonna bring on and try out these Philly cheesesteaks. So we've got Zach showing up over here, we got Cooper, and we got Martine. Come on guys, come on down. Hey, grab a napkin, I'll hook you up with a napkin here. Help you out. There you go. Come on guys, what's up? Y'all excited about some Philly cheesesteaks?
Hell yeah.
All right, baby, come on now, just grab a piece and go in.
Barbecue
Don't be
Jams
shy.
diet.
That's right. Oh yeah, you just lost half your load on the board over there.
Whoa,
Happens
whoa,
all the
whoa,
time.
whoa, whoa.
Just ask my wife.
Oh man.
You just called your wife a board.
Yeah, that's. Whoa. Hey.
Oh, I thought you said corn.
Oh, jeez.
I said you lost half your load on the board, bro.
Goodness.
Come on. How's everybody looking? Well,
Oh, I was just killing.
nobody's talking, so that must be good. Ooh, that is a steamer right there, buddy.
Man, that's what she said.
He's just gonna keep on
Yeah.
going out there. Come on, boy. Oh my God. There it is.
Cary makes these really difficult to edit because I have to edit out all his
Incredible.
commentary.
Incredible. I got an incredible.
Brother.
Sweet.
Put a little lapel on it.
What do you think?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Absolutely.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Pretty good. All right. Boys are enjoying them. You guys need to try them. Come on, let's get involved, people. Like, subscribe. You know the drill. Come on.
John again.
All right, guys, we had an excellent show tonight. It was awesome. It was amazing. It was incredible. I got people behind it. Yeah!
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, these Philly cheesesteaks were killer, guys. Thank y'all so much for being here, jamming, and being a part of the show. We've had a great time. Thank you, Derek Enter, as always, for the swag, buddy. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe. You guys know the drill. Come on, let's get involved. Boom.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Oh, that hurts.
Come on, man. Come on.
Yeah.
Barbecue.
Oh, God, there it is. Oh, jeez.